we're literally right at stop loss. Yeah, I think this is a loser. We're like 1 pip away. Alright, so we've got another live trading video. I have not done one of these in, it's like, I don't know, it feels like forever. I don't really record my trades that much anymore, but I am definitely going to start doing it again. Although I feel like I've said that before. We're in a bit of drawdown now. We're only risking about $100 too. We're going for just over a 1-to-1. We'll probably make like 170, something like that. I'm just targeting these highs up here. As you can see, take profit already set. But I'll probably start posting these live trading videos again because I'm now funded on a Forex account, which is what I'm trading now, which is GU. But my main focus right now is my futures funded accounts, which is way bigger than this one right here. That's why this is small profit. So I don't mind recording, you know, profits, losses for this account, and I'll probably post pretty much all my trades. Might stick to the winners because they get the views. Might post a loser as well. I'll try post a loser, see how it does. If it gets good interaction, thing like that, and people enjoy the video, because I guess it's a bit more authenticity, and you'll genuinely see all the trades that I take. So, yeah, I'll post that as well. I need to figure out how I'm gonna title it all, though. I can't just have them all called the same title. But yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll figure that out. So this trade is a demand setup for me with a specific entry model that I take. We are in a bit of drawdown now. We are also coming off a supply zone right here, but I would like to think that this one failed, and because GU is already quite bullish, hopefully it remains bullish and goes back up, but we are in a little bit of drawdown now. We're about -20, which is really not that deep. Alright, we're getting a bit of rejections. One thing that I don't like, as you can probably see as well, oh, that's not a good candle. One thing that I don't like is that, oh, I think this is going to be a loser, guys. But one thing that I don't like is that price is kind of ranging or consolidating. Buyers are not super heavy in the market compared to a few hours ago, but sellers are also not super heavy in the market. And I do believe that buyers will regain control. Oh, we're literally right at stop loss. Yeah, I think this is a loser. We're like 1 pip away. I'm just going to let it hit stop loss. I'm not going to try cut the loss or anything. Yeah, I do think this one is a loser though, with that momentum that is going down. Spreads are really good on this prop firm, to be fair. And this is a live funded account, so I'm surprised that they didn't trigger me out right there. Alright, we're starting to reject. I legit went silent. I was waiting for that push straight down to stop loss. We're starting to reject now though. A bad habit that I spoke about in a previous video for a lot of especially beginner traders is when they get a rejection like that, they might move their stop loss further, give the trade more breathing room, but realistically you're just altering your risk, and now you're risking more than you originally was. Although it may work sometimes, majority of the time you're doing it for more comfort while being in the trade instead of strategy itself. So don't alter your stop loss, guys. Pick a stop loss where you're going to put your stop loss before you get into the trade. Pick how much you're going to risk. So for me, it's $100 on the dot. Don't alter it. If it hits the stop loss, it hits the stop loss. If it doesn't, and it hits your take profit or hits your break even, or you know, whatever area or point that you've got marked up, then just let it do what it's going to do. The market doesn't care about your stop loss. It doesn't know that it's there. It's just going to do what the market wants to do, and you have to try make some money while it's doing what it's trying to do. We're back in profit though. That doesn't mean the trade is going to win. We might reject. The reason why I'm targeting these highs as well, I'm not a 1 to 2 or further, is because we've been going up for quite a while, and I do see price usually hit highs and then start rejecting from them highs, or collect liquidity at the top, then start rejecting from them highs. These are also highs right here, which I think it may start rejecting from here, but by that time I'll have my stop loss at break even, and I'm gonna try leave a runner to somewhere in these areas. Because one thing I do need to work on, and it is in my journal and things like that, and I see it happen repeatedly over and over and over again, is leaving runners. Like, especially if I'm holding trades to 1 to 2, which is what I normally do. Trading slightly different on the Forex account, but on my futures account, it's usually a 1 to 2 minimum. There's a lot of opportunities where I can target highs, target lows, but I usually just get out of the 1 to 2. So that is something that I'm currently working on, which is holding my winners, because it would make me a lot more profitable. But for this for this Forex account, I'm trading very, you know, like, I don't mind. Like, obviously my first target for this trade was a 1 to 1. I don't mind holding my winners for this account because the profit is quite tiny, like $100. I don't mind holding for 150, 160, 170. Whereas on the futures account, if I'm up like $600, $700, um, I just, I'm happy with that. You know what I mean? But I should be holding my winners either way. We are like staying above the 13 EMA now though, so we could see price potentially push up. Because we refuse to close under this blue line. Price is just not closing under this blue line ever since this break. So we will see if this demand zone holds. There's no news today as well for about an hour, so price could also be waiting for momentum from news. I think it's at 2 or 2:15 for GU. And then there's a news on gold for 2 or 2:15. One of them's 2:15, one of them's 2. And I think there's also news at 3. There's quite a few red folders today. I think there's 3. Alright, so stops at break even. If it comes down, hits this break even, I'm okay with that. It's better than a loss. But hopefully momentum continues pushing up, because that was a very nice candle. Like I was saying earlier, we could start rejecting from this area right here, where stop losses may be, this liquidity area. But I genuinely think it'll push up more. That's quite a big momentum candle. Alright, this might be the candle. We've got 3 minutes left on this candle. I'm going to just let it hit take profit as well. I'm not going to get out early. I'm going to just let it go past the take profit and trigger me out. But we're too close to take profit for it not to be a winner. I'll be very surprised. So anything can happen though. These markets, all they do is surprise you. I think this candle will hit though. This candle or the next candle. I think this will hit take profit. Come on, don't reject on me now. Don't reject on me now. Oh, sorry. I'm so tired too. We don't have that long left. Literally like 3 more pips. 3 more pips, you got that. You got 3 more pips in you. There we go. Yeah, it'll be this candle. It'll be this candle for sure. Well, we're basically there. Just need to go past. Basically there. Yeah, I think this is it. One more push. Literally like another pip. Another 2 pips. Jesus. GU. Come on. There we go. Jesus. That last candle was really taking a mitt. Like I said, live trading videos back. if you want more live trading videos, which I'm gonna start posting, then like, subscribe, comment as well if you have any other video ideas that you want to see. But if it's mainly live trading videos, which I know most of you like, then let me know. My Instagram is also on the screen, so go follow me over there.